Box time! Woo! I pre-ordered the Oikawa super big Nitotan plushie, and as you can see, it's big. And these kind of things, after the pre-order, if you don't get it, especially for a popular character, the price tends to go up. So I pre-ordered it, and you have to use a shopping service because they don't ship to non-Japanese directly. I use From Japan. I've been using them for quite a few years now. They're pretty good. And you can hold your packages and combine them in one box to ship. I paid the really cheap shipping on the boat, so it was like a month, and I got it shipped to the end of November, I think. And we are February now. So yeah, but it would be much more expensive if I shipped it like EMS. So I was like, I'll wait. He already cost so much. So here we go. Are you serious? It's a box in a box. There's one more box. This is the third box now. Oh my god. Okay, be careful because I don't know if he's underneath. Ah! Do you see him? Right. Oh, I need scissors. What, seriously, why are there 3 boxes? Oh, the tag is right here on his pants. It's so big. They also had the Iwaizumi one, and they have Kuro and Kenma. They're all currently in stock, so if you want to buy one, you can get it from their website. Toho Animation. They did have a Kagayama and Hinata one, but I think it was like 2 or 3 years ago. And at the time I was not so big in Haikyuu or buying Haikyuu stuff, so I didn't get it. But maybe I'll check online auctions, but I don't know how expensive it will be. So we'll see. Anyways, let's oh, it's so soft. So soft. Trying to show you how big it is. He doesn't sit properly on the chair, but it's like really big.